purchased this from Home and Bargain. I needed a small one that would go underneath my desk because my feet are absolutely freezing all the time at the moment, so I just needed something cheap and cheerful just to keep warm under the desk. So I'm going to be using this, which is something that I use a heck of a lot all the time. It makes my job easier opening packages, and change the blades by opening that up and changing it round. It's not dead sharp as in it's going to cut your fingers open straight away, but it does leave a scratch on your skin if you're as dumb as me and try and see if it actually cuts you. So it's brilliant for boxes. So in the box we get the instruction manual on itself, books attached, and what do we have? We have some settings here. At the top we have a little handle, so I'm going to get this plugged in and see what it actually does. So I've not turned it on just yet, but I just wanted to show you how simple the instructions are on the operation. So basically it says check the power and press speed buttons 1, 2 and 3. The fan will turn on and blow winds according to the speed you choose. Functions of the button: 0 to stop the fan, speed setting 1, 2 and 3 to select the required fan speed. Low is 1, 2 is medium, 3 is high. Oscillation to select the required fan oscillating by 1, 2 and 3, which are all controlled by this on the top. Okay, so it sounded simple, but as usual I have to remind myself what I've just said. So 0 is stop the fan, that's the oscillate, that's the fan speed. Have I bought a fan and not a heater? Oh, you are joking there.
Stupid.
Right, another FIBRO moment. I need to go and buy a heater. Oh, at least I'm gonna have some cool fan from the summer. You've got to think of positives in these situations, haven't you? Anyway, my knees are still cold, my feet are still freezing, and I need to go to a shop at some point again. Bye.